Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to take a look at a McCulloch classic chainsaw. I just want to go over a few tips on this, on how to fix the gas cap if you ever have one of these and the gas cap leaks. I'll just show you a couple of tricks. These saws about 30 years old and they've got a duckbill valve in here. And it has a tendency to deteriorate over time. And you see how that just turned to rubber, just turned to goo. Well, there's a good easy fix. I'm going to show you how to do that. Got a 3/4 inch socket here. And just center the cap right over that vent. Take a 7/32 rod. You can use a 7/32 file if you have one. And just bump that out. And you can see how that valve just turned to like chewing gum. Clean this area real good. Use alcohol, from rubbing alcohol or some solvent. And compressed air if you've got safety glasses. Clean the area real good. This is a duckbill valve. You can see the duckbill on it. It's a one-way valve. Lets air into the tank but won't let it out. Keeps the gas from leaking out. And what we do is center it right in that cap. Duckbill going in first, and then you push it in with your 7/32 rod. And you can see we've got it started in there. Reach in there with a pair of needle nose, get a grip on it, and just line it up where it's in the center of that cap. That's positioned real well there. And when air comes in, you can see this valve open. Watch it there. See how that opens? And then it closes when there's pressure, back pressure against it. Then you take and clean the vent cover real well. Solvent, alcohol, wear your safety glasses, blow it out with air. Set it on there. And just give it a slight tap. You've got a functional, good cap for that classic, American classic chainsaw. Just about a 3-minute fix and your cap is in great shape. Dugan's American Classic Chainsaws.